Okay, here's a Holmes 7 or 8 inch air circulator type fan I got yesterday. It's called the Blizzard, like the little desk fans they used to make, or I believe they actually still do make them, I don't know. Holmes Blizzard fan. Nothing really special, but I don't know, I liked it, so I grabbed it. For $5, it wasn't a bad deal. It's got 2 speeds, high and low, on a little tilting stand, as you've seen. Tilts all the way up and down there. I think that's what they call a 90-degree tilt. And here's the information plate, if it'll focus. It's model HANF76BLZ, made in January 2006. Made in China. The Holmes Group, Milford, MA. I think that's Jordan Consumer Solutions LLC. And then here's the Holmes name. And then the Blizzard name. But anyway, here's high. So yeah, nothing really special, but I liked it, so I got one. Fun fact, I actually used to have one of these, but it was branded under a whatever Target brand it was at the time. It was Home Solutions or something like that. Something weird, but the blade was broke, so I put a white desk fan blade on it. It actually looked kind of cool, black and white. But anyway, there's that. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.